hello beautiful people. Good morning, good morning. So I just finished film the wig video here for you. So if you want to see how I installed this beautiful wig, go over to my YouTube channel. Check out the previous video because I'm going to upload that video before this one. But today is my dad's birthday. So today is my stepdad's birthday. I don't normally refer to him as my stepfather, but just to give you some clarity, yeah, I'm not sure what I want to do or what I'm gonna give him around. I don't know. Them not fussy, you know. Them not fussy. Them not big my birthday or nothing. So I'm gonna see how the day turn out. Probably go get him food or something. I don't know. I'm gonna see. But this wig is so cute, guys. Look at this. Glueless. The melting spray make it look like it glued on, but trust me, that's it. That's literally it. I can't just pop it off and put it on back. Anyways, we're going on the road, so I want it to stay laid. But come here, sir. Come in with your feelings. Me and him just done cuss, guys. Too miserable.
Yeah, nobody a cuss, she cuss it herself. Yeah,
you like my wig?
Yeah, go on, man. Like for Quisha.
When I first wear one body wig. So it's a 7 by 5. I hope I don't make that mistake in the video because it's a 7 by 5 closure wig. Anyways, I'll be back. Well, una company road with me, so let's go. Let's go. Yeah. Take a plastic off. Like? Take up 2 Betty and 1 Surge. Alright, Pookie, bye. Them not a Surge milk. So 2 Betty, 1 Surge. I not eat bread out. Milk. Yeah. Take out the case. Hold this in a moment. We need butter. Coconut powder.
Yeah, I'm putting on the blade and back and put them in the freezer.
How do you have to go also some coconut cream? Take up 1 joy. Let me take up 1 peppermint. Take up 1 peppermint for me. We love going out. We keep it long and we will go out. Peppermint? Yes. I never know that kind of. See, what's them the chalky? Which one? What's the last one? Complex? Which complex one? Guys, the complex there for Jason. I'm going to take one up so I can see what really happened. I'm not going to give one a full all because mommy put things in there too. So everything in there not for me. So I said try to put cocoa. Mommy, but you give me one of the ball of them here now? I can't use the ball, the original one.
I don't know when I see it.
Mommy drink them off.
Yeah, you just say,
Yeah, put coconut milk in it.
Coconut milk? Try to make it what they taste bad, man.
it's good.
Like me they make it good.
It's good. The way too strong.
You say you do coconut milk, I teach you how to do coconut. You say make it coconut milk with the coconut. Where that coconut is juicy, put on the coconut. Water.
Oh.
And when the cream come, take the cream off, I tap it.
When I learn, guys, and I listen. And if you guys know me, you know me love tropical rhythm. But what the small one them there? See them here. I want something for cushioning. Yeah. I feel month, you know, mommy. All right, we look cranberry, the original one. Man, just stick up then one here. Carry Charlie come, babe. If you know, you know. To my girlies, these are really good. And remember, for the month, guys. What that? Try this. Yeah.
So what's up? The coconut mix tonight.
Juice with pulp and a coconut churro in a box.
What's the name of that? This is for probably just to give you a little island vibe.
Yeah.
No, somebody that's a coconut sour.
Coconut in the mouth.
Cocoa sour. It makes.
No, I think we island vibe,
Oh, yeah,
babe.
you know.
It's just a little tropical thing, for sure. We say, you know, because remember, say this tropical, you know, is a tropical fruit.
But it doesn't mesh
Oh,
to
no,
me.
take up here already or put it back? I eat this?
Please, yeah. Then I use one for it.
No. Alright, guys, so this is the meat section. I'm going to take the chicken in here because I'm going to get chicken from Lucy's aunt. And I think I'm going to get liver from her. So I'm going to just take fish. See fish here. And I want some of this. Or a Ziploc bag, want a big one. How much for it? A big one this?
What is size? Yes, sir.
15 gallon freezer zipper bag. I think I eat that. Are that bread just to take off? I know you would have take up bun. How much I take up? Wow. All time bulla. Guys, I love bulla, you know. I like ginger one though. I like that one here. And the pineapple one not bad either. Watch out, Keller want So 2 pound of tomato.
Yeah. 2 pound of
Yeah. Two.
2 pound of right now. 1 pound, 200 half of that money.
What pound for yam?
200, 150.
150 me want this.
Yellow yam.
Mm-hmm.
How much pound?
Where that I make me see how much that? I like about 1 3 pound.
Right,
3 pound? Thanks. Who sell the cinnamon leaf? 100? Them have nutmeg.
Hey.
More string bean. Peter. 100 a bag? Want a pound of ginger. Want garlic. Put them here, so. I want some carrot. I want some cucumber. Give me 1 pound. You know not dashi, you know?
No, no, that's it.
Lemon, yeah. Alright, cucumber now. Alright, cashmere. $14.50. Oh, this to me.
You know
What me bag?
they said they wanna eat more refined. There are two different cucumber you have. You have one. Yeah, there are one of them where you eat more
Oh,
refined.
that's the one you want? People?
Pickle.
Oh, pickle. Pickle.
Let me tell you what they have. My friend, man, I said, we don't
Check
know what
out
to
this
do.
one.
They said, no.
The one of them was like
Yes.
on a burger.
And the one you're what? Me like the one here more.
The
None
one
of them
that
not
I like.
imported though.
No.
Okay. Me like this because it crunchier.
Oh.
Yeah, that thing they said the one are more, a little bit more softer.
Alright, so me that.
Yeah, left them.
Oh. Guys, me buy things that man I left them in. The melon man not there. Nor the pine. Oh, you sell the lemon?
Then I lime.
A lime that? Let me see the lime here. Guys, a lime this so big? What? How much for that? So you not no more lime? Alright, me still take a lemon.
One lime the same. Look on top. And the lemon one there. Shelly.
Give me some lemon. Give me 6.
This. See lime.
A lime?
Yeah,
Put
this
it on here and give me with the rest of lemon. A lime that? Yeah. A lime sir? No sir. You sure say a lemon this? Just give me some though, cause the juice, all of them are go one place.
Much one.
More than 6. You know say $100 for one? More one buckle of honey.
Rasta of honey.
And more one castor oil.
Rasta of honey. Yeah, you have honey, but you know no castor oil. In car, me I tell him say I have honey, and me that tells me I take 2 bottles from him.
You buy dasheen for me?
You don't get no dash.
You have dasheen? I want some scallion on time. Oh, you know the purple scallion? How much pound that? About 2? How much a pound for it?
300.
I want one more pound for it. I could get a little bit more scallion. Yeah, time, I mean, sorry.
Okay.
The bag
See
full?
time bag over the same.
But I wait here.
Put the tomato on the top.
Hold one second. Let me move up back to the
Like that.
Alright.
You know that boy coming up pink. You put about purple.
Put the dasheen in there.
It coming up pink.
Alright.
Yes, a pink. Yes, too right. Mimi, what do you? I think. You know next one, me know we drinking more. What are we talk about?
Here,
11. 100 more.
come. How much more? Here.
Where I get now?
Me get everything. That's sweet. Make sure me I drink it right, yeah, so. How much for that one there? How much for that?
200.
Thanks. Ingy with that one there. Thanks, sir. May I give you some of this?
Nobody see you.
Taste this.
Well, what a stage in the toast jacket, I will stay up with water.
Ayers.
Right, there's every taste.
Ayers.
Oh, God.
It tastes good though. Hey guys, I'm back home. I'm not gonna give a grocery haul nor market haul today. Just because and me alone did I put stuff in the trolley. My mom did I put 1 and 2 items in it. And we never cash separately. So I'm not gonna be able to give another exact price for how much my stuff them would have come to. So It's whatever. Me and National go together real bad. I think it's very reasonable. For shop at the wholesale, it's reasonable, but I can understand why some people don't shop at the wholesale because I know every wholesale are the same. So my wholesale, which is National, you don't need to reach out to me. No man, National. But I got everything I went for. Yeah. The only thing I'm gonna buy are chicken. Recently, I start get chicken from Lucy's aunt. So I have that for collect. Lucy will collect it from her and I will collect it from Lucy. I'm going to pack out now, bed, and then we'll take the vlog from there. I just hope say you can get the shopping part of the video with the original audio, because I want to hear the background. I want to hear how it's sound in a market. For somebody say, give me a pound of Irish. I love it. I love it. I love so I can just go market. I love so I can walk and pick up my little stuff them, my little thyme and scallion, and I can pick up my tomato. It's a good feeling. It's very therapeutic. You know, I'm grown, but it makes me feel grown. So I know I'm telling us I'm going to pack out the grocery, but I whip up dinner real quick first. So yam, sweet potato, pumpkin, okra, string bean, carrot, saltfish. So this is dinner. This is Jason's dinner, but I could talk about Feral for a second. This is so good. A good tonic. Yeah, liquid tonic. Babe, come for your dinner. But yeah, Feral, do your research about it. Really good.
Oh, thank you. All natural. No enhance.
You want the pan?
Thank you so much.
Alright. Guys, when I think I'm gonna regret this, because I really don't know. All I know is them pillow here really need for wash. Anyways, I'll give you guys an update. When it finish wash, I'm gonna make it soak first in vinegar, baking soda, and some detergent. I wonder. The material, I don't know why I feel like, see, that's the reason why I have to wash it. It just soiled up all over. The material feel like it's gonna be lumpy after. But I don't know. Wait, read it, make it a full man. Read it, make it a full man. Make we see what them say. Also, I buy some more clothespin because the one them I have, or the one them I did have, them get foot and walkway. Board clothespin are just the best. How much come in a one? 24. Anyways, guys, I just wake up. Last night was so hectic. Are you doing that one there, Mia? Are you doing that one there?
Yes.
Okay. And it's okay if I make a mess here. Just clean it up after. Hold it up on the feet. Once it's fully coated, you can knock it off now. Great. You know which piece that you do? What it look like to you? A wing or a leg?
Look like wing.
Wing? You sure?
No. It look like a breast.
Good. Just for that test you. So the wing them in the pot already. Oh, see one more wing in there. You dust it off properly?
Yeah.
Okay, great. I think we need to do all of it?
Yeah.
Okay.
This is the wing.